How's it going there, wonderful people of the internet? My name is Nate Lake and I'm over here at Russ Darrow Jeep of Madison. We got a few options coming up for you, and that's why we need to make room by getting rid of our current 2020s. Right next to me I have a Compass, followed by its big brother, the Grand Cherokee. Now both of these vehicles are in an interesting financial situation where they can qualify for one of the two following options, either 0 for 72 months or employee pricing. Followed up by that also same kind of deal and package. If you're looking for a bit more family space, you're looking no further than the Pacifica. It actually hits every need that you could possibly want, and depending on what trim level you get, a few of those entertainment packages as well. Now over to my left, which would be your right, I have a Gladiator here. Now if you are the kind of person who wants to go off-roading, see a couple of options out there, maybe travel a little bit in these quieter times, look no further than the Gladiator to fit all of your needs, coming in with a beautiful price line and employee pricing. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and hopefully we can see you soon down here at Russ Darrow Madison Jeep. Have a great day.